All right. So, in this session, what we'll do is, we'll log into AWS. So it's kind of a part lecture, part lab. So you'll learn how to control your cost while exploring AWS service offerings. You using the AWS free tier. In addition, you will learn to use AWS budgets to set up a cost budget to monitor any costs associated with your usage. So this is an important topic. You will see questions about it in the exam, but most importantly, this is going to be very helpful for you when you get to work. All right, so the AWS free tier is a discount program that lets you gain free hands-on experience with AWS products and services. So all new AWS accounts include the free tier, so you don't have to sign up for it, allowing you to try and services you need to build your workloads from day one. Like with over 100 services in the free tier, you can do lots of exploring at a reasonable cost or even for free, right? But monitoring your service usage and associated cost while you're exploring your AWS is, I would say, yeah, the top concern for most starters. So make sure you don't exceed the free tier usage thresholds and your overall budget. We recommend using AWS budgets, right? So I will what I'll do is I will show you how to set that up. With the cost control features of AWS budget, together we'll create custom cost budgets that will alert you when you exceed your budget threshold. And in this lab, we'll also learn the AWS free tier offering, discover how AWS budgets monitors your free tier usage by default, and how to create a total monthly cost budget that alerts you when you exceed, or or forecast it to exceed. Even better that, right? So it is a best practice to create a total monthly cost budget for each AWS account you use. So if say for this account that you're going to be using for testing, for learning, yeah, I mean, at the most you want to put up is $10, $5, whatever that budget is, or $0 for that matter, right? You do not want to exceed. You do not want to pay for anything. You can set those up, right? So AWS budget has a free tier limit of 62 budget days per month. So creating a single budget falls within the AWS free tier limit, right? So as the name implies, we'll set up AWS free tier eligible service. Usage is free. All right, moving on. So for this to happen, you need to first set up your AWS account, right? So you will go and set up your AWS account at a free tier, and we have a whole lecture on how to set up your AWS free tier account, but this is just going to be a quick recap, okay? So to access, you need to first access the AWS free tier page. So open the free tier page. I will give you the link here as well, but you can Google it. On the AWS free tier page, under AWS free tier dashboard, right? You'll choose this 12-month offer. 12 months free offer, free link, and here's the link, right? Once you click on it, then of course that gets you can explore, search based on what is available to you on the free for free for 12 months. These free tier offers only available they're only available to number one, new AWS customers, right? And are available for 12 months from the date that you sign in, right? So sign up. So when your 12-month free usage term expires, or if your application use exceeds the tier, you simply pay a standard pay-as-you-go service rate, right? So make sure that you understand those services. Basically, each service page will for full pricing detail. Will provide you the full pricing details. So notable offers for the first 12 months following your AWS account sign up includes some level of free usage for Amazon Elastic Compute, right? Known as Amazon EC2, or Amazon Elastic Block Store, which is EBS, or Amazon Simple Storage Service, or S3, or Amazon Relational Database Service, or Amazon RDS, and many other useful services.